What an honor it is for me to welcome you to Concord Christian School. I'm Donald Snyder, and I serve as the head of school at Concord. Founded in 1995 as a ministry of First Baptist Concord to promote biblically integrated education. Our campus is a close-knit community where each student is valued and encouraged to discover and use their God-given gifts and talents in the academics, the athletics, and the fine arts. Our mission at Concord Christian is to inspire students to follow Jesus by equipping them to serve, lead, and transform their world. 2020 has made for an interesting year in education. Our faculty have had to adapt their teaching styles to position our students for academic success, whether in the classroom or learning virtually. I am proud of the way our teachers have responded to this challenge. Our faculty has a combined teaching experience of 777 years, with an average of 14 years per teacher. The metric is impressive by anyone's standards and speaks volumes about our level of commitment to Christian education. 2020 has also been a refining year for us to evaluate leadership and how we are equipping our students to be the next generation of Christian leaders. New to the 8th grade this year is our Lions Leadership Initiative, which lays the framework for what Christian leadership is by inspiring students to explore leadership traits such as integrity, service, and courage. We are very excited about this new initiative. This program is just one of the many ways we endeavor to inspire students to follow Jesus by equipping them to serve, lead, and transform their world. Our leadership is praying for your family as you navigate your school search. If I can be any of assistance to you in any way, please do not hesitate to contact me. And remember, it's a great day to be alive.
I'm John Mark Harrison, Senior Pastor at First Baptist Concord. At Concord Christian School, we're committed to kingdom education. Kingdom education is equipping the next generation of students through a curriculum that champions a biblical worldview. Kingdom education is a lifelong, biblically based, Christ-centered process of leading children to Christ, then building them up and equipping them to serve Him. It requires that the home, the school, and the church work together to pursue the ultimate goal of developing mature disciples of Jesus Christ. We're completely committed to this dream. So much so that this past year, we welcomed Jamie DeWald as our CCS pastor. His role in our ministry is a critical one, and he's dedicated to helping meet the spiritual needs of students, families, and the faculty of Concord Christian School. I'm so glad that you're engaging with us today and can't wait for you to experience Concord Christian School.
Thank you for considering Concord Christian School. I'm Lee Leday, elementary and middle school principal. Our elementary and middle schools serve students kindergarten through 8th grade. We encourage academic excellence by ensuring small class sizes, challenging curriculum, and dedicated and qualified faculty and staff. Over the years, our 3rd through 8th grade students consistently score in the 80th percentile or higher on national standardized tests. Each year, we have more than 40% of our 3rd through 6th grade students qualify for the Duke TIP program. This honor is reserved for students who score 95% or higher on one or more subtests from this nationally normed standardized test. CCS students are also avid readers. Last year alone, our kindergarten through 6th grade students read 16,505 books through the Accelerated Reader program. What really motivates the faculty at Concord is a commitment to develop the whole student, whether it is in the classroom, on the stage, or on a playing field. Our students are receiving instruction on how to model their life after Christ. We are very intentional about discipling students through biblical integration, daily Bible classes, and chapel. Each grade level also has a mission focus for the year. This includes everything from working with the elderly to serving at food pantries and even raking leaves for our neighboring community. One of our middle school special service projects is decorating tiny Christmas trees for patients at Children's Hospital to honor the memory of one of our students. By providing students with opportunities to serve, we are teaching them to be the hands and feet of Jesus. I think Concord Christian School is special for a number of reasons. One of the main things that impresses me is how our faculty and staff love our families and our students. We are truly a family and a community at this school, and we love each other well. We support one another. Our families are like family, and so I think that's really important for what we do. The other aspect that impresses me is the biblical integration across everything we do. Our chapels are weekly. Elementary, there can't be a more precious time than watching little ones praising the Lord and worshiping. And we take that really serious about chapel. We want to teach our youngest ones how and what it looks like to praise Jesus. We are fortunate. Every year we see anywhere from 40 to 50 students accept Christ in the classroom, and that's just a direct reflection on how important biblical integration is. We pour Jesus into everything from math to science to reading, even recess and the occasional discipline. It's always goes back to, what does the Bible say about this situation? What does the Bible say about all of it? And everything goes back to Jesus. And I think that's what makes us unique. And I think that's what makes our school so special, is we start with the foundation of Jesus and build from there.
Hola, I'm Senora Conley, elementary Spanish teacher. It is my goal to make your child's foreign language experience one that is positive and personalized. I love to spark students' curiosity for other cultures and perspectives. Concord provides our elementary students a total of 6 enrichments, which include music, library, PE, computer, art, and Spanish. Elementary students are given the opportunity to showcase their talents through art shows and theatrical performances. Definitely their enthusiasm, like they just soak it up so fast, and I love just kind of the light bulb that goes off when they kind of see outside their own little bubble and outside of Tennessee, and kind of just see more from a global perspective, and how this is learning a new language opens up so many opportunities for them, just long term. And even as a kid, just it's kind of cool for them to be able to compare traditions that they're used to in their own homes to other cultures. And it just, I feel like they grasp onto it so well. They love to use it. They love to do, songs and skits. Yeah, I just love, I think that they really enjoy it and they soak it in so easily. It's exciting.
Hi, I'm Emily Sloan, Director of Admissions here at Concord Christian School. I wanted to share with you 3 compelling reasons to choose Concord. Our academics are intentionally aligned kindergarten through 12th grade to prepare each child for future college and career. Each day, our students are discipled and mentored through their teachers and coaches. Concord isn't just preparing students for acceptance into great colleges, but is molding and positioning them to be servant leaders who will confidently transform their world and advance the cause of Christ. I love meeting new families, but the most rewarding part of my job is to see the students blossom here at Concord. I see them in the hallways, on the field, games, stages, concerts, and it's just so great to see them to be joy-filled, Christ-centered young adults. I look forward to walking you through the admissions process.